What's up, guys? So for today's video we are playing local fish. I know this is like different from my other, but I just want to see if this is like Uno. I'ma do my first one. Yo, what? Hello. So let's go play. I want it solo. Search. But I have, guys, I actually know how to edit now. Yeah, I am a very good. How do I join? I forgot how to join. I'm not done this. I don't know how. Okay, let me try. Let me wait for this. It's just my movie. Very loud. Wait. Come on. Oh, dear. Oh my god. I am so blind. Oh my god. That's one button was in the bottom. Oh, it's only 2 minutes. What? Let me turn on my camera. I'll fix the limit. Right there. No. Right there. Can you start? Start right now. Stop. Come on. What? Stop it. I left. We need to find. So, kasi yun talaga yung plan. I didn't need. Turn off my recording so you guys be patient. Okay, I'm gonna be right back.
Way we position
Finally, it took me so long to find it. Holy shit. I'm gonna turn off my camera.
Then yung latter part, just yung mga rare or mga nakakana lang namin dito. Pero meron. Okay? So, we will still cover those products and services as siyempre, all the time. So, we have to cover all the products and services kahit nasabihin natin na only nag-bigyan lang yan.
Yo!
Hirang-hirang.
I hate it.
So, lockbox.
Yo, what? I didn't see.
Notification
Oh
pa
my
rin.
God. I wanna play again. Come on, play again. Okay, let's go. Oh my
So,
God.
we have to submit din ng mga wise ticket. So, ayan siya. Okay?
Oh, oh, you just got plus 10. Oh my God. Sorry, mate.
Ng mga QR. That's why yung focus mo nung discussion is talagang polish or pulido, no? Kasi we want to ensure na walang makakalusot kapag kayo na audit.
Oh
Okay?
my God.
Hindi maintenance. Hindi din ito nag-over discussion
I blocked.
maintenance service.
Oh, you got blocked 2 times. Yep.
Anything account
Yo.
ang minimaintain natin. Okay? So, lahat yan is i-discuss natin.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? 2 days kasi I believe marami din yung mga again, katulad ng mga sub-services natin, hindi lahat
What do you do?
pero isa siya dun sa mga top namin kasi pag pumasok siya sa queue namin, nakasuna yung status niya. Okay? Yung SLA ng ating maintenance is only 24 hours. Okay? Pag sinabi
Wow.
nireview today, pag nireview today po, yung request is makukomplete din siya. Once nag-up yung online
I'm still waiting for my.
yung online course natin, kapag sinabi nyo,
Waiting for. What?
Until
No, I can't even get it.
okay? So,
Oh,
kung nag-up na 7 p.m. tapos yung
Get
time
back.
nakita nyo, yung
Get back.
online form,
Come on.
para sa upan, and then pwede na natin.
Oh my God.
Okay? And then most of the request naman na nag-fall under ng DTE maintenance,
Come on. Oh.
may mga out of scope kasi daan din pinapasok yung mga halo-halo request. Okay? So, sila CSO kasi minsan,
Oh no.
parang gumagamit sila ng mga CPTs na sa tingin nila is
Oh my God.
doon yung kumul yung request nila. So, wala.
Please get.
Nakakagawa kami ng
Get out.
request na
Right now.
out of scope sa
Please.
atin. So, cancel din. Okay? So, pero, again,
Mimi.
papayasin natin kasi nasa due status ng
Yo.
supplier. Okay? Sa baka
Yo.
one day lang,
It's AFK.
napaka-minimal ng request na nakukuha namin nito and tawag dito, nagsasaka lang siya or ay hindi nakakonect lang siya dito sa laptop
What?
namin. Okay? Kasi we have to update lalo na yung mga passport program na
Yo.
nakasab account. Okay?
Yo. Yo.
Araw lang din.
Miss Green.
So, bigyan lang
Miss Green, why are you laughing?
we receive
Miss Green.
may 10, may 20, ganyan. Yeah. Okay? And then, deposit card, issuance tayo, no? Ituturo namin sa inyo end-to-end. Card maintenance,
Yo.
yung location,
Yo.
location,
Okay, what's my
issue, and then pagka-track ng FedEx or tracking number. So, lahat yan photo na. Administration, banking, PIR. Yung tatlong to is wise products. We can cover this.
This fight is taking so long.
Separate na lang natin yung discussion
Oh
for
my God.
okay?
Oh my God.
Pero ito lahat is pagkasabit kasi natin ng
Oh my God.
white light or dun sa field pass na kaagad, pipili na lang kayo ng products doon eh. And then, same approach lang sa lahat. Tama, no? Pero if hindi kaya yung tag one day, then
Yo. It keeps changing.
bakit natin si Metronet, si wires, transaction, and
I can't remember. Wow.
nakalip kasi mahaba kaya sinap muna namin yung i-cover niya. And then, ipinasok namin si by the way, water and ice,
I'm lagging so
By
much.
the way, say your registration. Payments in terms of
Wait, what?
submission
Oh, it's
ng one
not.
account, hindi namin yun, hindi natin yun
There's no way.
cover. Pero, lahat
I
na
swear to God,
changes yung sa hukukan, even yung ACH IDs mo, na
Yeah! Yeah! Yes. Yes.
Yun, basta yung mga file IDs na yun, and then ang request nila is maintenance lang ng ACH IDs, then it can still process the
Yo.
request. Okay? So, ACH na reconciliation,
What?
hindi naman nalalalo or same
Wait, what?
ng ACH payments. Pero,
I thought, oh my God.
yung file ID nila is
He's
different.
dying, bro.
So, ayan, cover din natin yan. Submission ng forms, completion, and mga user access. Desktop deposit and WDE, si WDE kasi is subservice ng desktop
Thank you.
deposit. Not only desktop deposit, lockbox din, and then, that's the common nun na nakakait sa WDE natin.
Oh! Wow!
Okay lang din siya kasi sa UAE namin siya ginagawa. Okay?
Oh
And
my.
then, yun na, mag-reply.
Oh.
Okay? What we indicated the form and
Sorry, mate. Sorry.
last time
Oh.
na-update natin yung pagka
Official!
Oh, she.
So, may
Oh, she's.
hindi na tayo
Yo. Yo.
kasi we also have
Yeah, I won. I won. Finally. I have won. Oh my gosh. So, that's it for the video. So, see you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.